Hello students, so we are doing the lesson biomolecule and we'll continue with the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, they are classified into two types, that is the small carbohydrates and the large carbohydrates. Now carbohydrates are the polyhydroxy aldose, ketose and their condensation product. Aldose bear terminal aldehyde, that is CHO group. Okay, examples are glyceraldehyde, xylose, ribose, glucose, galactose, while ketos have the internal ketone or CO group. Example, dihydroxyacetone, erythrulose, ribulose, xylulose, fructose, acidohaptulose. The term carbohydrate is derived from French term hydrate D carbon, indicating that it is a hydrate of carbon, uh, or we can say CnH2O whole N, or it can be CH2O whole N. Accordingly, carbohydrates are also defined as organic substance having carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, where hydrogen and oxygen occur in the ratio 2:1 as found in water. Carbohydrates are directly produced during the photosynthesis of the autotrophic plants. They therefore constitute major part of dry weight of the plant up to 80%. Carbohydrates are also called saccharides because of their basic component are sugar. Carbohydrates are of two types, as I told you. It can be simple or complex, or small or large. Then small carbohydrates are soluble and have low molecular weight. Commonly they are sweet and sweet to taste and are called sugar. Small carbohydrates, they are further differentiated into monosaccharide, derived monosaccharide, and the oligosaccharides. Now first let's discuss monosaccharides. Monosaccharides, these are those sugars or simple carbohydrate monomer which cannot be hydrolyzed further into smaller components. They have general formula CnH2nO, and depending upon the number of carbon atom, monosaccharides are of 5 types. Triose having 3 carbon atom, that is glyceraldehyde, dihydroxyacetone. Then tetrose, it is having 4 carbon atom. Erythrose, therose, pentose having 5 carbon atom. Ribose, xylulose, deoxyribose, arabinose, ribulose, deoxyribose. Okay, is an exception because it has a formula of C5H10O4. Okay. Next we have hexose having 6 carbon atoms, C6H12O6. Now example are glucose, fructose, galactose, mannose. Now haptose having 7 atoms, that is C7H14O7. For example, pseudohaptulose, glucohaptose organic compound. The bond thus formed is called glycosidic bond. Okay, now glycosidic bonds are also established during the condensation of monosaccharides for the formation of oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. A molecule of water is usually produced at each condensation. It is therefore an example of dehydration synthesis. Pentose and hexose exist in both chain as well as in ring form. They are two types. Okay, and then pyranose or furanose. Pyranose have hexane structure with 5 carbon and 1 oxygen, and furanose have pentagon structure with 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. Both pyranose and furanose type are further distinguished into alpha and beta type. In alpha form of hydroxyl group, nearer the oxygen atom of ring is written below, while in the beta form it is written above. Many monosaccharides have asymmetric carbon and are able to rotate polarized light to right side than D, or dextra rotatory, or it can be plus, or left side it is L, or levorotatory or minus. Among the sugar, D isomers are more common. Okay, that is dextra rotatory are more common. Hexose are generally white, crystalline, and sweet substance. Fructose is sweetest of all naturally occurring sugar. It is also called fruit sugar because of its common occurrence in the fruits. Except, okay, the exception is grapes. Okay, in grapes it is not the fructose. Nectar and honey contain fructose. Same is called the levulose or levulose because of its levorotatory nature. Okay, they are levorotatory in nature, so it is also known as levulose. Glucose in the blood sugar and common respiratory substrate, which is also called the grape sugar or corn sugar. It is called the dextrose, being dextra rotatory. Now derived monosaccharides. Now derived monosaccharides are modified variously to form number of different substances. The important derivatives are deoxy sugar. Deoxygenation of ribose produce deoxyribose. The latter is constituent of deoxyribotide found in the DNA. Amino sugar, the monosaccharide having an amino group, that is NH2, glucosamine forms chitin. Okay, then fungus, cellulose, hyaluronic acid, and chondroitin sulfur. Galactose amine is similarly a component of chondroitin sulfate. The sugar acid, ascorbic acid, is a sugar acid. Now glucuronic acid and galactonic acid occur in mucopolysaccharides. Sugar alcohol, glycerol is involved in the lipid synthesis. Mannitol is storage alcohol in small fruits and brown algae. Next we have is the oligosaccharide, another form of the monosaccharide. They are small carbohydrates which are formed by condensation of 2 to 9 monosaccharides. Therefore, oligosaccharide belong to the category of compound carbohydrate, or we can say polysaccharide are also compound carbohydrates. Depending upon the number of monosaccharide molecules condensed to form oligosaccharide, the latter is known as disaccharides. Oligosaccharides, they are also known as disaccharides. For example, sucrose, lactose, trisaccharides like raffinose, tetrasaccharides like starchiose, pentasaccharide and hexasaccharides, heptasaccharides, etc. Larger oligosaccharides having branched or unbranched chain occur attached to the cell membrane. The smallest and the common oligosaccharides are disaccharides. They are formed by condensation of two monosaccharide molecules. Smallest and the common oligosaccharides are disaccharides. They are formed by condensation of two monosaccharide molecules. Hexosen disaccharides are the best known: sucrose, maltose, lactose, trehalose. Trehalose is found in some fungi and hemolymph of some insect. Sucrose is the commercial sugar which is also called the cane sugar because most of it is obtained from the sugar cane or Saccharum officinarum. A large quantity is also obtained from the sugar beet, that is Beta vulgaris. Sugar is formed by condensation of one molecule each of the glucose and the fructose. Glycosidic bond is established between the carbon atom 1 of glucose and carbon atom 2 of the fructose. A molecule of water is released. that is C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6 gives C12H22O11 plus H2O. The union is in the aldehyde region of the glucose and ketone region of fructose. Unlike it is its component, that is glucose and fructose, sucrose is non-reducing sugar. In sucrose, the fructose occur in the furanose, that is pentagon form, while the glucose in the pyranose, that is hexane state. The sucrose is the storage carbohydrate of the sugar cane and the sugar beet. Maltose or the malt sugar is named so because of its occurrence in the malted grains of the barley. It is also found in the detectable amount in most germinating seed and the tissue where starch is being broken down. It is a reducing sugar which is formed by condensation of two molecules of the glucose. Glycosidic bond, that is alpha 1 4, is established between the carbon 1 of one glucose molecule and the carbon 4 of the second glucose molecule. Next we have is lactose or the milk sugar is named so because it is found naturally in the milk. It is reducing sugar which is formed inside the mammary gland by beta 1 to 4 condensation of two hexose molecule, glucose and galactose. Souring of milk is due to conversion of the lactose into the lactic acid. Trisaccharide raffinose is also reducing sugar. It is formed of glucose, fructose and the galactose. Sweetening index of the sucrose, maltose and lactose is respectively 100, then 32 and 16. That means sucrose 100, then maltose 32 and lactose 16. It is 170 for the fructose and 40,000 for saccharine and 2 lakh for monoline, a protein reducing sugar. They are those sugar which can reduce the copper ion 2 plus to the copper ion, that is 1. Okay, that is 1 plus state. The property is found in all those saccharides which possess free aldose or ketose group. All the monosaccharides have this ability. Amongst disaccharides, sucrose is non-reducing because both aldose sugar of glucose and ketose sugar of fructose are lost due to formation of glycosidic bond between the two. However, some other disaccharides, for example lactose, maltose, possess a reducing group. The reaction of these the reaction is also used in detecting the glucose in the urine. Two type of tests are used: Fehling solution and Benedict solution. Okay, the later, that is Benedict solution, is more common. The solution containing blue colored alkaline solution of copper or cupric sulfate reducing sugar change into insoluble reddish cupric oxide or gentle heating. Cuprous oxide separates as precipitate. The final precipitate may appear green, yellowish, orange to brick red depending upon the amount of reducing sugar. Now, the function of small carbohydrates. The triose, glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone are important intermediate of both the respiratory and photosynthetic pathway. Erythrose, a tetrose monosaccharide, is not only a intermediate of respiratory and photosynthetic pathway but is also a raw material for synthesis of lignin, anthocyanin and some amino acid. Phenylalanine, triosine and few aromatic compounds, pentose sugar, arabinose and xylose form polymer. Arabens and xylens, which are constituent of hemicellulose. Ribose is an important pentose sugar which is found in a variety of chemical like coenzyme A, FAD, that is flavin adenine dinucleotide, NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NADP, that is, and the ATP, beside being a constituent of nucleotide that form the RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribose, that is C5H10O4, is part of the nucleotide that forms DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Ribulose 1,5 biphosphate or RUBP, or phosphorylated pantothene, is the acceptor of carbon dioxide in the photosynthesis. Glucose is the main respiratory substrate. Fructose can also function similarly. Fat and amino acids are formed from the glucose and other sugar. Oligosaccharide attached to the cell membrane form the cell coat or the glycocalyx. They are important for cell recognition, cell attachment, receptor molecule for receiving and responding or external stimuli, antigen specificity for human blood group AB and RH, components of antibodies, which are large molecules which with attached carbohydrates, glycoprotein of some viral codes for attaching or to the invading host cell. Some plants store oligosaccharide as reserve food, for example, sucrose, that is sugar cane, and sweet beet. Monosaccharide are polymerized to form structural carbohydrates, for example, cellulose, lignocellulose, and storage carbohydrate, starch in the plant, and glycogen in the animals. Now, polysaccharide will discuss in the next video.